When you drive down a road and you have a consistent look, you have a uniqueness of architecture, you have the image of Halsley. Halsley is an 800-home community here in Midlothian, Virginia. The overall community is based on authentic architecture. It is an all-cementitious siding neighborhood, which is unique for Richmond, and in 2016, it was voted Best Master Plan Community in America.
When East West Communities started Halsley in 2013, the first thing we did was interview current residents of the community. We asked them, would you like us to bring in a lower price point in the community? And it was a resounding no. They said, keep the quality. They appreciated what James Hardie brought to the table from the streetscape.
James Hardie affects the curb appeal based on the authenticity of the look.
It allows you to have all sorts of different architectural dimensions and exterior looks.
Without the shadow lines, without the profile, without the consistency of the James Hardie product, you don't get that authenticity. Having that consistency, having that reliability is the most important thing that Halsley and East West can bring to the table and to our customers.
Each home is a different piece of art, and James Hardie attributes to the look and feel of the community, and our residents love it.